Hello friends, so now in this experiment we will be doing or studying sampling. The objective is to observe and verify the concept of the process of sampling. Equipments and apparatus are absolutely Scilab software. Now what is sampling? Sampling is a process used in statistical analysis in which a predetermined number of observations are taken from larger population. Basically, Scilab in sampling does one proper thing, and that is getting information from larger domains and computing into the smaller ones. The methodology used in sample from the larger population depends on the type of analysis being performed. There are two types of analysis in sampling. First is the systematic sampling and another is a random sampling. Now we will execute a program on sampling. This is the code of the sampling theorem wherein all the parameters and inputs have been predetermined or pre-installed. So let's check it. As we all know that the sampling can be only done when Fc is equal to 2Fm, which is the frequency of the carrier signal is equal to twice of the frequency of the modulating signal, message signal. Now just simply we'll run it. This is the console. Now here we have been asked to enter the frequency of the square wave or the carrier signal. We'll just put 5, frequency of the message signal, which is a sine wave, 4, and the amplitude 1. As you can see here, we have got a perfect example of the sampling where the message signal, the carrier signal overlap with each other and they form a natural sample signal. Now we'll keep this aside and we'll go back to the code again. Rather, we are going to execute it again. Now if we go another time to the sampling theorem console, then we will now change some parameters. For example, we'll put here 10, here 5 and here 1. We would be expecting a wrong one since we are using this window. Now another time. We are getting this one, and here we can see that the output of this window was different from the last output, which is due to the change done in the frequency of the carrier and the frequency signals.